it is me, Ace Pilot 109, or Captain John here. Today I'm going to be flying my brand new XU-123 Parawing. This aircraft is very similar to my X-112. In fact, it's almost the same, except I use different materials. The struts are in more strategic positions to make it stronger, and the wings higher, different materials, stuff like that. So it is a different airplane, but it is the same idea with the umbrella wing. Yeah, let's go ahead and fly. There's some soccer people out here today, so yeah, it's kind of windy, but we'll see. It's got the wobbles. Yeah, pretty wobbly, but it's a lot like the other one. Get away from the trees. The truck's moving. Hopefully I'm not in trouble. Oh, almost flipped her. Flip her around. Yeah, so it's actually probably too tail heavy, but because of the design of the wing, it doesn't really actually matter that much. You want it to be tail heavy to give it like that constantly falling characteristic. But I think this one's just too tail heavy. Because even when I start flying it faster, it doesn't get much more stable. So I think I'm gonna add landing gear, and hopefully that'll just add a little more weight up to the front. Make it fly all right. Here we go, let's try and land. Boop, spot landing. All right, so a pretty good flight with the airplane. It's just a little windy today, and it just had too much tail wing. The aircraft does fly okay. I'm gonna add landing gear on it. It'll make it look better, and it'll give it some more nose weight. So yeah, that's kind of the only thing I'm going to change with this thing. It has plenty of control in turning, pitch, roll, and stuff like that. So yeah, the aircraft flew pretty alright. A one-day build, pretty quick. Might make plans for it, I'm not sure. This plane is very easy to build. So yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. If you'd like to leave a comment, it's the normal YouTube stuff, you know. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, tell me what you want to see. And yeah, thanks for watching, everybody, and hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you very much.